Dear students, how are you? Are you happy? Let me tell something important before the class. Now, we teachers can't meet you directly. So, we are worried about your well-being. Okay. Nowadays, due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, everyone must obey the rules provided by government and health department. All of us are responsible to break the chain. So, don't go out unnecessarily. If you go out, take the precautions. Keep social distancing, wear mask properly, use sanitizer, etc. When you reach home, please bath properly. In addition to that, maintain personal hygiene and follow healthy habits. Also, have food properly. Okay, thank you, dear children. Today, we are going to discuss some problems related to our daily life situations. For example, age problems. Then problems related to money. Okay, today's topic is application of linear equations in one variable. Yeah, in the last class we have studied what's a linear equation, how can we solve. Today we are going to study application of that linear equations. Okay, let me go to first problem. First problem is, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? What should be added to twice of minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? That is, we have to find a number. That is, when we add that number to the twice of the rational number minus 7 by 3, we will get 3 by 7. Yes, dear children, how can we get the answer? Okay, to do this type of problem, first step is forming linear equation. That is, the present situation, we have to change it to a linear equation. What the given condition? A number, we don't know. Yes, we don't know that one. When we add that number, add means plus. When we add that number to twice means 2 into 2 times. Twice of minus 7 by 3, we will get means this one equal to 3 by 7. When we add one number to twice of minus 7 by 3, total answer is 3 by 7. Yes, we don't know that number. That is, to represent the unknown number, we can use a variable x or y. That is, our equation becomes x plus 2 into minus 7 by 3. That is minus 14 by 3 equal to 3 by 7. This is the first equation. What is the first step? Forming a linear equation. From the given situation, you have to form a linear equation. Now we formed the equation. That is x plus minus 14 by 3 equal to 3 by 7. In the last class we studied if you got an equation, how we can solve it. Now try to solve this. X plus minus 14 by 3 equal to 3 by 7. Yes, x plus minus 14 by 3 equal to 3 by 7. So, x equal to x already in LHS. So, to solve this type of problem, let variable in one side, numbers in other side. So, x let it be in LHS. 3 by 7 already in RHS. So, no change for that. No change in symbol. But this minus 14 by 3 had to move from LHS to RHS. So, it will be plus 14 by 3. How will you do? 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Yeah, 3 into 3 equal to 9. 14 into 7. What is 14 into 7? 98. by 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 21. So 9 plus 98. What is 9 plus 98? 107 by 21. Yes. Now we got answer. Yes. Then you can conclude here the number equal to, or the required number equal to 107 by 21. Required number is 107 by 21. Okay. Yes. Now we can move to the next problem. The perimeter of a triangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 2 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. Perimeter is 13 centimeter and its width is 2 3 by 4 centimeter. Then find its length. Okay, dear children. It is given perimeter equal to 13 centimeter and its width, that's breadth, is 2 3 by 4 centimeter. We had to find its length. Yes. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter P equal to 2 into L plus B. That is the equation. You all know that. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Yes. Perimeter given and breadth also given. We have to find out length L. For that one, yes. Perimeter 13 equal to 2 into L. Yes, that is L, or any variable you can, because we are trying to form a linear equation. Yes, L is also a variable. Otherwise, you can use X, no problem. Yeah, let L be, X be the length. So, instead of L, you can write X plus breadth 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 again we can change. Yes, you know that we can change that into improper fraction. What is 2 3 by 4? 2 into 4, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 11 by 4. So, 13 equal to 2 into x plus 11 by 4. Yes, 13. Then 13 equal to, if we multiply 2 into x, 2x plus, here distributed, 2 is outside of the bracket. So, you should multiply 2 with all inside of the bracket. 2 into x, 2x. Then 2 into 11 by 14. So 13 equal to 2x plus, what is 2 into 11 by 14? 2 and 4 cancelled by 2. So it will be 11 by 2. Okay, 2x plus 11 by 2. Yeah, this is the equation. 13 equal to 2x plus 11 by 2. 13 equal to 2x plus 11 by 2. Yes, we have to find the value of x. Let, 2x is in RHS, let it be there. Then transpose other all to LHS. 13 already in LHS, no change. 13 minus 11 by 2 equal to 2x. 13 into 2, 26 minus 11 by 2 equal to 2x. What is 26 minus 11? What is 26? 15 by 2 equal to 2x. Okay, 15 by 2 equal to 2x. So, yes, we have to find x. It is 2 into x. Then to find the value of x, into, while transposing a 2, it will be division. So, 15 by 2 division again equal to x. 2 into becomes in division. Division by 2, how will you do? It is 15 by 2, that is division is same as multiplication of its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. Yes, now we got x equal to 15 by 4. What is this? Yeah, length. So length of the rectangle equal to 15 by 4 centimeter. Okay, question asked in centimeter, so 15 by 4 centimeter. Okay. Yes, now we can move to the next problem. The next problem given here. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Okay. After 5 years, the ages will add up to 66 years. Find their present age. We don't know the present age of Sahil's. But the condition given is Sahil's mother's age is 3 times of Sahil's age. If Sahil's age is x, what will be mother's age? 3x. And 5 years, after 5 years, their ages will add up to 66. Okay. Yes, dear children. Question is, Sahil's mother's age is 3 times of Sahil's age. Then, after 5 years, sum of their ages equal to 66 years. Yes, we don't know Sahil's age. Yes, we can start. If we know Sahil's age, we can find out mother's age and sum and all. We don't know. It is not given. So, let x be Sahil's age. Yes. Then what is mother's age? If Sahil's age is x, mother's age is 3 times. That is 3x. Okay. The Sahil's age is x. Then mother's age is 3x. Then this is the present age of Sahil. Present age. After 5 years, what will be Sahil's age? After 5 years, Sahil's age equal to what it will be? Now x. After 5 years, it will be x plus 5. Okay. Same way. Now the age or the present age of mother is 3x. After 5 years, mother's age will be yes, now 3x. After 5 years, 3x plus 5. Then after 5 years, Sahil's age is x plus 5. Okay. Mother's age is 3x plus 5. When we add these two ages, it will be 66. Yes. What is that is x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to 66. Now we can add the like terms. X plus 3x. What is x plus 3x? 4x. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 4x plus 10 equal to 66. This is the linear equation. Yeah, first step is forming a linear equation. Now we formed the linear equation 4x plus 10 equal to 66. So, what is 4x? 66 minus 10 equal to 56. 66 minus 10 equal to 56. That is 4x equal to 56. Then what is x? 56 by 4 equal to 14. Yes, now we got x equal to 14. What is x? What asked in the question? Yes, x is present age of Sahil. Now Sahil's present age equal to is equal to 14 years. Mother's present age equal to what? 3x. That is 3 into 14. What is 3 into 14? 42.